Gateway to a city, a vibrant, diverse city on the move, in the forefront of innovation, yet steeped in traditions and respect of icons of its history. San Francisco is a city of many faces. The music makers, a variety of sounds from here and there, from classical to the latest fad, a taste for just about every ear, a tradition from the distant past. A city on the move, in a way that is so unique to this city by the bay, via the country's only national monument in motion. Nothing epitomizes the city so much as its cable cars, clattering and clanging up and down its many hills at a staggering 9 miles per hour, pulled along by the sturdy cables under the street, which are in constant motion, winding their way around the city and back to the pulleys, which continually are turned by the massive machinery in the cable car barn. A testament to the love the people of San Francisco have for tradition. The cable car, the musician, the sidewalk flower vendor, and yet San Francisco is a city of growth. Only, due to the geographic nature of the city, on the tip of the peninsula, with the ocean on one side and the bay on the other, the only way the city can grow is up. As such, it can only build on the rubble of the past. A sign of that past can be seen here at the base of this to-be skyscraper, Fox Plaza.
The Fox Theater has been termed fabulous and foolish, the most beautiful theater in the world, and the worst architectural monstrosity, the most lovingly created, the most pitifully conceived building of its time, a palace a king would be proud of, the most bizarre expression of a silly age. Whatever they said of her, the Fox was loved by most San Franciscans, and it is a landmark that will be missed in the swirling mist of progress here in San Francisco.
The entire grand lobby is of gold leaf that'll last forever. Just the same as it looks today now, is the same as outside, being a little dusty, but it looks just the same and just as kept, just as fresh as the day it was put on.
Good evening. This is James Gabbert, sitting here alone with 2 organists and a few engineers at the Fox Theater. Darkened tonight, illuminated only by a naked work light. Already seats have been removed, tapestries removed from the walls, and chairs taken away. It is the last time this organ will ever be heard. Already they are standing by to commence removal of the organ. By tomorrow morning, this organ will not be able to be heard again here in its original setting, the Fox Theater, San Francisco. And now, Ev Norris, as we say farewell.
Dead. Long live the Fox. Born June 28th, 1929, died February 16th, 1963.